Hello, it's Fiona Fernandez here. I'm just coming online to do a quick live with my unboxing, and I'll just put my computer on so I can see that. Turn my sound off. Whoops. Don't need to hear two of me, do you? So I got my order from last week, and it's the last chance sale. Move that around a bit so you can see my box. So I didn't get a lot of things, but there were some things that were really good specials. I'll just open that. Get my little snips out. Oh, that's right near my microphone there. Be careful. I'm going to cut that. I finally got the microphone working properly. Bit. And what have we got in here? Lots of air. Always like to have air in our Stampin' Up orders because it keeps everything nice and tidy and stops things getting damaged. And they do package them with these inflatable air cushions, and they're recyclable, so it's really good. So what did I get? I got a snow front. This was on sale and I'd have to check online in the store if they're still available, but I really like this. It looks similar to some of the other ones I've got, like the waterfront, and I can't think of the other ones' names off the top of my head, but they're just a photopolymer, is clear, so when you stamping them they're really cool because you can see right through them, and it comes up looking like an arty scene, so I really like that. So you can put leaves on your trees or leave them bare. To play with that one day. And I got the Craft and Carry Stamparatus bag. So I have a Stamparatus, I'll just pull that out over here. That was a really good special, couldn't resist. And let's pull that out. Oh, I'll get that out. It's stuck in there. So this is the bag. To go back a bit, won't I? Hang on, we'll go to the bag in a minute when I take the box off the table. Come back to the bag. I got some Stampin' blends, which are retiring, and I got two colours. Which one's this one? I can't see the colour. I can't see it. Light Mango Melody and Dark Mango Melody. They come in two. And I've got the Dark Rich Razzleberry and Light Rich Razzleberry. So just put in my blends collection. And I've got the Best Played Builder dies. Now I like the look of these because you can build things with them. Put that over there. Just roll them out. They look like that. So you've got two there, so you can build things with them. So you can die cut different colours and put them together, which is pretty cool. I'll be using these in my life soon. So I'll just put that over the top to show you where it goes. See how it sits like that? Cool, hey? Have to have a play with that one day soon. Just get that all out of there. And I got the dog builder with a little heart. Dog punch. Isn't that cute? So I'll just show you the bag. Just move the box out of the way. The bag looks like this. Oh, can you see that? It's gonna. I'll just move that so you can see my details as well. It's not focusing very well. There we go. That's better. So this is the little Stamparatus bag. So it's normally $50, but it was much cheaper. And it's $12 something. So it opens right up like that. And I'll grab my Stamparatus. so you can put your Stamparatus in it. Look here, little Velcro bits, and normally I would have, the magnets do go on the back of your Stamparatus, but I've just got them on the front right now. Put it in there. Oh, that's it. So cool. Actually, that might just go in the middle of the bag, I think, and then the plates can go in the pockets. So there's pockets over here too. And I've got more plates that I bought a while ago. So you can put your plates in the pockets separately. And it's got a nice little handle, carry handle. I just thought this would be really good for when I start doing my classes outside of the home again. Get it ready for my, look at that, it's cute, isn't it? And I just love this colour, it's gorgeous. Look at that. Put my little host code for March, so that finishes tomorrow. I'll be putting that order in tomorrow night if you're interested in ordering anything this month. So there we have it. That's my unboxing for today. I'll be back live with my normal card making on Wednesday night at 8:30 Sydney time. If you're interested, come and join me. Just craft along or just relax and enjoy. And we'll have fun. Okay, ciao.